Alright guys, it is still Sunday, January 29th, I believe. It is about 8:30 at night. Let's see, what have I done today? I finally got the glass taken off, front and rear. I've also cleaned out the area where the rubber meets the metal, where the glass sits. So I've cleaned that out as much as I can, front and back. Excuse the mess, but it's, as you can see, there's I don't know if you can see the bright silver right there, but that's the original color of the car. So that's what's going to get repainted. Little bit of rust spot down here, same on the other corner, but other than that it looks pretty solid. Again, you still see some remnants of the vinyl top that was on the car. I took it off here as well. I've covered up the gas tank because I don't want spray in there. It's gonna get media blasted and then built back up and painted, so I just didn't want stuff there. Again, in here, I'm hoping he'll tape this up because I don't want the inside painted. Same thing here. Headliner is still on the car, still not taking it off, but I'm gonna text him tomorrow morning and see if he wants me to take off the headliner, being that the car is not gonna get repainted. Maybe just pull them back a little bit so they're not they don't get sprayed, and hopefully he'll just cover it up. But as you can see, 3 major cracks on the dashboard. Other than that, it's very clean. I'm just gonna wipe it. I'm just gonna sanitize everything when I get it back, and make sure everything's nice and clean. Again, here's the front lip. I've also taken off the door handles and the door lock, both sides. Only thing left are the door mechanisms. Pop them open and close. That way, when he's going down the, I don't know if I'm dropping it off or he's picking it up, but at least the doors won't pop open when